Hello everyone, this is Tita Ester. Welcome to Tita Ester's Kitchen. Today I will share with you a simple and easy recipe on how to make bun, or in Austria they call it Kaisersemmel. The specialty of this recipe is I prepare already all the ingredients during the night around 9 to 10 o'clock and let it rest for 9 hours. And plus I use cold water instead of the traditional lukewarm water. And it's very important, I use only 1 gram of yeast instead of half or whole cube of yeast. Here are the few ingredients needed to make a delicious bun. 300 ml cold water, 20 ml olive oil, 500 gram flour, 10 gram of sea salt, as I told you earlier, 1 gram of yeast. This is again another special ingredient, 10 grams of malted barley, which I made by myself, and it really makes a big difference to all the cakes and buns and rolls you will make. And I will show you in the next video how to make this one. So let's prepare the dough. First, you have to put all the dry ingredients together. That is the flour, the sea salt, and the malted barley. Next thing we do is to dissolve yeast in the water. Take note, the yeast is only 1 gram. As you can see, the yeast is now dissolved. Now we will add all the liquid ingredients. Olive oil. Keep on mixing. And then the yeast. Now just mix everything well. After 3 to 4 minutes of mixing it, the dough is ready. Now I have to cover with a cellophane. I cover it with a cellophane so that the humidity will not evaporate and the dough will double its size. And I cover it also with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 9 hours and let the yeast work. Now I can go to sleep and tomorrow morning I can continue baking the bun. Hi, it's me again, Tita Ester. It's 8:30 in the morning and as you can see, I prepared the table already for making the bun or Kaisersemmel. The dough is resting already for 9 to 10 hours, so it will be ready for the next step. Let's get it. Let's form the bun. First, we have to sprinkle flour in the surface so that the dough will not stick on it. You can put a little bit more to be sure that it will not stick. Now let's get the dough. As you can see, it's already double the size. And let's cut it into pieces, and each piece should have at least 90 grams. It's exactly 90 grams, and we have to do like this, that there will be the tension in the middle of the bun. I finished forming the bun. Usually I made 9 pieces out of it, but now it's 10, so it looks like siopaw actually. Now I have to cover it again with a kitchen towel and rest for another 45 minutes. So while the bun is resting, I have time to fix the kitchen. And here, one tip from Tita Ester: you have to scrape the flour from this surface with this one because it's easier to remove. If you remove it with water, the more the flour will stick in the surface. You see what I mean? So the bun still needs another 15 minutes to rest, so we can preheat the oven for 240 degrees centigrade. Time is over. Let's make now the Kaiser semmel or bun. Oh, it looks good. So let's make the bun or the Kaiser semmel. There are 2 ways to make the semmel. This is the traditional way, which is used by hand, and this one, the roll stump, which is I'm using because it's easier. Okay, I'll show you how easy it is. Now you've seen how easy it is to make a Kaiser semmel, and before I put it in the oven, I have to spray it with water. I have to put the boiling water so there will be steam in the oven so it will not dry up. Let's put it in the oven. The bun will be finished in 20 minutes. 20 minutes is over. The Kaiser semmel is finished. Let's get it out.
Look at this. It smells and looks delicious. I know it means work for us and is time consuming. And of course, it's easier and more convenient to buy in the bakery shop, but the rewards coming with it, like the smile of your kids, the happy face of your husband, and not to mention the whole house smells from freshly baked bread in the morning. Wow, it's really worth it.
This honey is good. Esther, thank you for your nice brunch which I know next time we make another bet. So maybe next time you will win. But thank you so much for this. So let me try your rolls first. This is with butter and honey, by the way. Let me see. It smells so good. Ester, thumbs up again. I like if you lose bets.
The bet I lost, Peter is referring to, was the challenge for me not to cry more than 3 times watching a Pinoy drama movie. Have you seen the video? No? Here's the link. Watch it and tell me your comment.
And of course, it's my favorite. My last.
Alone, the first bite of the roll with jam, honey, salmon, and coffee, it is a perfect breakfast to start your day.
This is Tita Esther. If you are new in my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, always be a sensational.
As you watch this video thus far, it shows me that you are interested to try my recipe. Please find the recipe below. Thank you, maraming salamat, God bless, and see you in my next video.